Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has updated the known issues for Windows 11 on their known issues page. So if you're on Windows 11 22H2, Microsoft, of course, in the last patch Tuesday, a few things happened. One of them has to do with sign-in failures and other issues with the Kerberos authentication, and direct access might be unable to reconnect. But this has been resolved, and the other one is confirmed. But the one that is interesting and that is absolutely confirmed, but right now no fix is available. Lower than expected performance in some games, and they are stressing that it is something they have confirmed. Some games and apps might inadvertently enable GPU performance debugging features. So the reason why the performance is no good is because it adds debugging. So the game not only has to run, but it has to also run the debugger at the same time. So of course it really makes performance go bad. So this is kind of interesting here to see what's in these new things. So we'll see what's going to happen and when this could be fixed in some way. But there's a few things in here. But one of the things that I know is that now, because of the game's performance issue, some of you might not see Windows 11 22H2 because of this. I don't know what is exactly the rules that they apply for preventing the update. Is it the games that you have installed, the type of GPU or graphics processor? But they do have blockers for that right now for those that are here. Personally, I play games. I've not seen really any performance issues. Maybe I should explore some of the games I haven't played for a while a little more. But I don't really see any performance issues per se. So I guess it depends on several factors and maybe the types of games that you are actually playing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.